Is it possible to make 11,000 using supply and demand combined with candlestick psychology? In this video, I'm gonna show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to increase your win rate, whether you are a beginner or experienced trader looking to become profitable. Okay, I'm taking this. Before I explain the trade, the timer will be 1 minute. Flag mode, make sure this side here is on 00 because you need this type of timer to use this strategy, okay? And then I'm on the 1 minute time frame. When I take my next trade, I will explain my reasons for taking that trade, okay? I almost missed this trade, guys. Alright, so the reason for taking this trade, I see that this is a demand area, and remember this is an engulfing candle, so I was expecting this engulfing candle to continue in the same direction, and it creates me a supply area. So I take advantage of these, and I'm in the direction of the movement. Let me show you something. You see this drop, base, drop? Remember we spoke about this? I'm in the direction of the trend. There is no rally base rally going up. So this means I'm in the direction of the movement. So I am in the direction of the momentum actually. Alright? And remember, you need all of these stuff to combine in order to have a successful trade. Let's find another opportunity. Okay, the intro wasn't so good, so I took a next one, guys, just in case. I love it when my price is in this. What's going on? I like when my price is in the zone itself, you know what I'm saying? Instead of like below the zone. Sometimes you have to be very patient because the price moves so quickly. It might, you know, when you enter, you might enter outside of the zone instead of inside. But you guys are seeing for yourself how accurate supply and demand is. I want you to understand that in the financial markets, supply and demand is the most powerful strategy ever exists, and this strategy for me is my favorite. Nicely done. Okay guys, so you see this, I won the previous supply right here. Now this is a demand area. You guys are seeing this for yourself, right? And remember, when we are looking for supply and demand, we're looking for engulfing candles. Now, I'm gonna be very honest with you. You need to understand candlestick psychology in order to be winning consistently. Let me be very clear. But the basic rule of this strategy is that we need the engulfing candle. It is necessary, and we identify. Everyone know what an engulfing candle is, guys. You see that sniper entry? You see that? That's crazy. See that? That's what I'm talking about. Nice. I literally just showed you guys. I took 2 trades on the same pair, back to back. You see how crazy that is? Because supply and demand, the market moves between them. Like the market cannot move without supply and demand. Like it's not possible, right? And supply and demand, after they becomes you know, support and resistance. Everyone's know that. But yeah, you see this, guys. You see the accuracy of this. It's so amazing when you understand what you're doing. It's very amazing. It's not really that difficult once you master it. Let me be very clear. Once you master it, it becomes very, very easy. Okay. All right. I'm gonna take this trade, but to be honest, I think this demand work already. I'm not even sure about this one, but let's see what's gonna happen here. This one, guys, is a bit you know, it doesn't give me the confidence. Plus, you see, check this out. See this crazy momentum coming down? See that? So this is a very strong movement, but supply and demands are very strong. So let's see what's gonna happen. I shouldn't have took this trade here, but I had a nice what you call it, discount entry right here. Okay, it was a loss. I had a feeling the momentum was looking very strong. Beautiful. Guys, you remember previously we won this trade, remember? Price rejected right here. No, I'm on the same pair again, and I'm expecting this price to reject also. So let's see what's gonna happen. This one I'm very confident right here. Let me show you why. Because the trend has shifted. Oh, let me remove the money so you can see. Remember that rally based rally is how we identify the trend. It has shifted. So now I'm more confident that this trade and the supply, the demand is very strong also. Okay, let's see what's happening right here. See that, guys? See that rejection? See that? Beautiful. Okay, let's find another opportunity. Nice. All right, this one here. What's going on? Why the price is moving this? I'm with the trend. What's going on here? Okay, let's see. It's not a strong supply, but I'm expecting it to work because I'm in the direction of the trend. But I want to say something. Even if I win this trade or lose it, it doesn't matter. I'm still in profit. But nothing is 100%. Even when you have all the reasons, sometimes market dynamics can make you lose a trade. So always keep that in mind. Okay? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So this trade came right into my spider web right here. You guys see this? Okay, the demand area based on candlestick psychology, I could see that it is medium rare, like medium range. So it will work because I saw this as a reversal candle right here also. Right? This is a reversal candle based on candlestick psychology. So that helps me with this trade right here. So I'm expecting a rejection, even though I'm going against the trend. And this is something you need to understand. See, the trend is going down. Sometimes you can go against the trend. The thing is, you need to go with it most of the time because it increases your accuracy over time. I hope this clears up. This one is a very sure one, guys. I could see the weakness in that candle right there. I almost missed this opportunity. You see that right inside the zone. Let me color it white so you guys can see it very clearly. You see how sharp this is, guys. I love when my price is on the wick, and this is something why I love supply and demand rejections, because it's very, very accurate and you can get in right in the zone and it's a bingo win, Nice. Okay, guys, this one is a nice one right here. The main thing also, I'm with the trend right here. Okay, so I'm in the direction of the market movement, and the reason why I emphasize so much about the trend, it's because it shows you where the market is going, and then you find your pattern and you go in the same direction. It's that simple. Okay, if you're interested, you can use the link in description to apply for mentorship. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a successful trading career. Peace out.